Rumour tells me you've got a gut full of heroin.
It's none of your business.
Yeah, it is. You're gonna get yourself to medical now. Not doing more time is better than dying.
I'd rather die.
Oh, I'm not gonna let you do that. Franky, get up. Yeah.
You ready, Doyle? Yeah.
Miss Bennett. How long is this gonna take?
What's it to you, Smith? I'll see you on the flip side, Red.
Francesca Doyle,
Your Honour?
do you feel you're ready to be a responsible member of society?
Yes. Yes, I am. I've accepted that what I did was wrong, and I've worked hard to earn the right to an early release. Taking an advanced diploma in legal studies at Callum University, and I've assisted other... Oh. No,